Nice.
See what I mean?
With the
They
broken...
have to come through. They have to come through choke, so they
Bro.
are so fucked.
Yeah.
GG's.
Oof. Fucking 30,000 damage.
13,000. You piece of shit! I had a 5k! Bro, that is stolen, man.
Yeah, actually.
Bro, how the
it's
fuck-
Ours,
Wow.
it's ours to share.
How the
How?
Blizzard is fucking crazy, man.
How?
Literally, they're crazy.
How? How did
You get all the kills when I. It's probably because I did the fucking AoE damage for free.
Fuck the AoE damage, man. Fuck the AoE damage.
That's not fair. No, I agree.
The Hanzo replay.
Oh my god. I'm fucking uninstalling this game if that happened one more time. I mean, I'm just happy that, you know,
It's
it
not-
was POTG for our team.
Yeah, of course.
No, but I mean, that was fucking not fair. All the kills happened on the other side where I was standing. I mean, what the fuck?